Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin, where you come for the crypto neo news, education, and opportunities. My name is Lucas, and I have another opportunity and a DeFi tutorial because we have several playlists to get you going. Of course, this is an airdrop video, so this will go in our, DeFi crypto explainers and tutorials, but also our airdrops, crypto opportunities. What is an airdrop? It appears to be free money, free crypto falling from the ether into your wallet, but it's targeted rewards, targeted marketing to help growth and participation, reward people who participate in the community. And so we're going to walk you through how many of these airdrops work in the IBC, which we love to cover the IBC, the Inter Blockchain Communication Network, where every blockchain, its own layer one independent blockchain, can communicate with other blockchains in the network. And many of these we've been covering for quite some time because, well, they're just at the forefront of innovation when it comes to blockchain. Osmosis, if you go back to our original how to provide liquidity video, we use Osmosis because of its cheap fees, zero free fees, and fast transactions. So it's a great place for education and for learning, but it's also a great place for innovation, a lot of cutting edge development. In the world of blockchain and crypto, there's a lot of exciting development happening on Cosmos. We're going to talk about EVMOS Airdrop today, Osmosis, Juno, of course, Luna, Terra, Crypto.org. We've got Secret Network, and we love to give you Secret updates because Secret is the premium privacy layer solution for smart contracts and blockchain. And with EVMOS interoperability for the IBC to the EVM machine, Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Harmony One, Phantom, Avalanche, all these EVMs and more. This is an opportunity to bridge these communities together, and that will add a lot of network growth, a lot of value in many ways to the IBC ecosystem. And of course, Secret having that privacy layer. Now, Secret having a privacy layer has many added advantages. There's a lot of value and dynamic growth happening there that you cannot find on other chains. So we talk about Secret NFTs. We talk about other crypto secrets revealed and applications being built like Alter Mail, Jackal DAO, data storage. I mean, there's so much innovation happening there. You're just going to check out the playlist. And if you're just getting started, take your time, do your own research. We have how to start your crypto journey, how to start your wallet, sending, receiving, staking, choosing validators, and why validators are important when it comes to not only your own rewards, but also the rewards and growth to the community, because they're doing a lot of value added stuff. There are some great teams in the validator pools. And of course, our macro outlooks, where Ryan and I will take a look at what's going on in the world at large, the economy, and how it may affect the blockchain crypto markets as a new emerging technology sector. Very exciting. I know that's very exciting. If you're excited, hit the subscribe notification and drop a comment. Tell me how excited you are. This is not financial advice, marital advice, medical advice, commercial, legal advice. It's just entertainment, education, information, research being shared. And of course, airdrops. We're here for airdrops. And EVMOS, we've talked about EVMOS. We have some videos on it down there somewhere. And we're going to talk about how you can claim your EVMOS airdrop. And we're going to go through it right now. Now, before you vote, there are some other processes to go through, and we're going to go through it step by step. So without further ado, what you need to do is do an IBC transfer. The first step is to do an IBC transfer. So you're going to copy your EVMOS address. All links will be left below. And of course, it's in your Kepler wallet. You'll come over to Osmosis, and you are going to scroll down to IBC transfer. Select a chain, new IBC, and we're going to select, where is that? EVMOS beta right there. Now, the channel is 204, save. It is said that you do not need a recipient. Here we go. Oops, pardon me. Select chain, that one. Recipient. We just copied that EVMOS address from the Kepler wallet. So what are we doing? We're doing an IBC transfer. Now we show this on Osmosis frequently, where they have a beautiful UI user interface, and you can just click and it will send it from one chain to the other within your Kepler wallet. And that's what we're doing right here. We're sending from Osmosis to the EVMOS IBC blockchain so that you'll have that Osmosis on EVMOS. Why? Well, EVMOS is a bridge between IBC and Ethereum network. And you'll notice that you can port an Ethereum address to your Kepler wallet, to your EVMOS, and it will be a bridge. There will be an opportunity to transfer value from one chain to another. And I'm referring to EVM and IBC, which is very unique. You do not need a memo from what I am told. And we will do a small amount next. Okay, so let's try just to test it. Look at that Osmo fee of 0. Approve. All right, now we should be able to go to EVMOS and see it received here. Pardon. There it goes. All right. Scroll down, live action, edit. EVMOS. Wow. 260 EVMOS. See how that just popped up? We didn't have it before, and that just popped up. So there's part of the airdrop. Pretty cool, huh? And look, the 0.1 Osmo showed up. So there you can see in the wallet, it's on the EVMOS chain, but you have your Osmosis. Now your Osmosis, no intermediaries, no layer 2s. This is very, very innovative. This is cutting edge. And while there's a lot of tension going on in other areas in blockchain and crypto, this is kind of a pink elephant in the room, so to speak, when it comes to innovation and excitement happening. So very, very cool. This is exciting. I think I've said it many times, and I'll say it no more because there's more to do with this airdrop. That was part 1, sending over something, and then you claim that first part. Now what do? You stake. We talk about participation all the time. If you want to maximize growth in the networks, not just for airdrop opportunities. Now, I believe we've done a video on Citadel 1. I think it was one of our first videos on validators. They're a great validator in the community, and it was through one of their posts that alerted my attention to this, that inspired me to make this video. So I'm going to stake with them, and I'm going to stake the max 0.01. Oh, shucks. Maybe I shall refresh the page, which is often a thing because we just got the airdrop and maybe it hadn't registered it. I have a feeling that it hadn't registered because I would love to stake more than 0.0001, which seems like some type of a faucet drop. Getting balances failed network. Well, that's life. That's life. Hit dashboard. Refresh the page again. May have to pause this and wait till it is back up and running. I think I'll do that. Pardon. Okay, that took less than a minute. I just needed to refresh the page a couple times. So here it shows it's registered on the dashboard. Very cool. You can see your Osmo, whether or not you've followed our videos and you've seen Juno Swap or Osmosis or Secret Swap and Sienna, you get used to seeing how the IBC works, where you can see that blockchain asset like Osmosis or Juno on another chain, and the ability to send it from one to another without a third party. And here we're going to claim the rest of this airdrop. So let's go to stake. And as I was saying, I was inspired by Citadel 1. So let's check out Citadel 1 now. It should show, after refreshing the page, when I click stake, I'll have some more to choose from. Ah, yes. And let's just go ahead and max it out. I'm going to not max out. It's good to leave a little bit for gas fees just in case. So let's just say 260 and next and send. The transaction will be sent to the Kepler browser extension for your review and approve. Okay, let's review it and approve it. Delegate 260 EVMOS. Yes, approve. We'll wait a second. Sending. So the first thing you did is you sent Osmosis, successfully staked. You sent Osmosis, Osmo, from Osmosis. You sent Osmo to EVMOS through channel 204. Now, let's say you don't see that IBC. Let's come back over here. You start on Osmosis. And let's say on Osmosis, you don't see the IBC transfer. Well, you come over here and you come to settings and you say show advanced IBC. Make sure you click on this. If this is off and you come over here, it won't show it. So make sure you come over here to settings, show advanced IBC transfers, click it. So it's over there to the right, shows that it's on. And then when you come back and you scroll down, it'll show. That's how you do it. So the first thing you'll do is you'll do transfer. You're going to, I have it here now, channel 204. But if you haven't already put it in there, you'll put new IBC transfer channel. You'll select EVMOS. Where's that? I passed it up somewhere. Oh, it won't show. There it is. You'll select EVMOS source channel. You'll type in channel 204-204, save it, and there you go. All right. Once you've done that, pardon. Actually, let's go to EVMOS, get back on track. Once you've done that, you will stake. And look, there's more. Another 260. Now, this is how Osmosis started. They revolutionized participation and having staggered airdrop, a ladder of airdrop by engaging people in providing liquidity and staking. So this is very innovative. I really enjoy seeing that EVMOS team is taking that, and others in the IBC have taken that, rewarding participation, because there are many airdrops that started that just randomly just flooded wallets on the blockchain with added value. And some of them may have been wallets that were abandoned from centralized exchanges. Just, pardon, there was no focus. And with the IBC, the teams have focused where they want to, how they want to use the marketing of these airdrops, the value, and you can see the growth of Juno and Osmosis, even when the markets are consolidating and seem bearish, how they're pushing new all-time highs, and the growth in the IBC is just emerging and just sprouting. It's shooting up, and it's amazing. And successfully staked. Bam, we just did some more. Now there's something else you can do. We will stake that as well, but first, let's go check out how to vote. You just go to the proposals and you click on airdrop claim mission, vote. Yes. Yes, vote. Vote yes to airdrop claim mission. Approve. Sent from Osmosis to EVMOS to the IBC channel transfer. So you're learning how to do that in the wallet. Now they are going to set beautiful user interfaces to make it just click, but now you've learned how you can just input a channel yourself and do it. You've earned that first 25%. Oh, look, successful vote. Then there is staking, and then there is voting. And then you have completed, I believe, 75%, as much as can be done at the moment. Now, if we check out the dashboard, 780 EVMOS, we have even more. So there you go. More to stake, more to spread, and more to maybe keep if there is some liquidity to provide on Osmo and some other chains. We'll see what happens. This is just the beginning. Congratulations to the EVMOS team, to congratulations all those people who are, to you, and to all those learning how to navigate these new blockchain crypto waters. Very exciting times, especially what's going on in the IBC, and you know where to go if you want to stay abreast of the latest and the greatest in the blockchain happenings. And the opportunities. So if you like this kind of stuff, you know what to do. Until the next time, have a beautiful day. Namaste, y'all.